Infiniti is adding a bit of visual pizzazz to its largest SUV. For the 2026 model year, the Infiniti QX80 Sport wears a tweaked front-end design, moody exterior trim, and a blue and black interior color scheme, along with packing plenty of standard features. The 2026 Infiniti QX80 Sport goes a shade darker with blacked-out features throughout and a unique interior design. There's a new front grille, a restyled front bumper, and a unique 22-inch wheel design. The exterior is replete with darkened elements, from black exterior trim to mirror caps, lower bumper finishers, roof rails, and emblems. Inside, the theme continues with a mix of leather in black and dusk blue, and the seats were diamond pattern perforation. The metallic trim receives a dark chrome finish and is paired with dark brown open-pore with trim on the doors and instrument panel. The QX80 Sport's bodywork can be painted in mineral black, radiant white, grand blue, or dynamic metal, with a contrasting Black Obsidian roof offered with all but the mineral black hue. The Sport trim sits above the Luxe and features the same standard features, such as a head-up display and electronic air suspension, but also introduces even more standard goodies. There's the 24-speaker Klipsch sound system, massaging front seats, 64-color ambient lighting, and a frameless rearview mirror that can display a camera feed. Every QX80, including the Sport, comes with a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 with 450 horsepower, up 50 horsepower from the old V8, and 516 lb-ft of torque. All that power is routed to all four wheels via a 9-speed automatic transmission. If you're at all familiar with the QX80, you'll know that's no different from the standard car, which means this Sport pack doesn't really add much in the way. The 2026 QX80 will reach dealerships in late summer of this year, starting at $85,940, while the Sport will begin at $104,140.